Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your makeup routine, a primer that promises to give you that flawless, smooth base you've been craving. Meet the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Whether you're prepping for a night out or a busy day at work, this primer is designed to set the stage for long-lasting makeup. Let's start with a quick rundown of what you're getting with this product. The e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer is formulated with tea tree and vitamins A and E, which not only help restore your skin, but also promise a glowing, smooth finish. It's a mattifying primer, which means it will keep that shine in check while giving you a velvet-like base for your foundation. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free of any skin-damaging toxins, making it a great option for those who prioritize clean beauty. As for my experience with this primer, I've been using it under my daily foundation routine. And here's what I found. The application is smooth and easy, and it absorbs into the skin pretty quickly, which is a big plus when you're trying to save time in the morning. It immediately created a matte yet velvety finish, giving my skin a soft focus effect. No harsh scent, which I appreciated, and it didn't leave my skin feeling tight, which can sometimes happen with matte primers. What stood out to me most was the way my foundation applied over it. It went on so much smoother than usual, with no dry patches or areas that seemed to grab onto product. I didn't notice much of a pore minimizing effect though, which was a little disappointing. That being said, the smoothness of the finish still gave my makeup a more polished, even look than without it. I also noticed that my makeup stayed put for a good while, which I can't always say for primers in this price range. Pros? First, the price point. At just $8 for 0.47 fel-aughts, this primer is extremely affordable compared to many others on the market. The formula is gentle, packed with skin-loving ingredients, and cruelty-free, which always makes me feel good about recommending it. The matte finish is another plus, especially if you have oily or combination skin. On the flip side, the claims of pore minimizing action didn't quite live up to expectations. While the finish was nice, my pores weren't dramatically smaller, which I was hoping for based on the product's name. Also, depending on your skin type, the matte finish might feel too drying if you don't hydrate well before application, so dry skin folks should be cautious. For the price though, this product delivers great value. It works well for oily and combination skin, and it provides a solid base for foundation without breaking the bank. If you're someone who's looking for a primer to smooth out texture and control oil, this is worth considering. Now, if you're looking for something similar, but maybe with a little extra pore blurring magic, you could check out the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, which has a bit more of a silicone texture and gives a more blurring effect. But the e.l.f. primer is a great budget-friendly option if you're just getting into the primer game or need something simple for everyday wear. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. It's a small tube, making it easy to carry around in your bag, but the nozzle design makes dispensing just the right amount of product a breeze. And given its low price, the longevity seems solid. It should last a decent amount of time with daily use. If you've ever had to reach out to e.l.f. for customer support, you'll know that they're pretty responsive. They're known for their easy returns and helpful team, so if you ever have any issues, you can feel confident in their service. So, does the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer live up to its claims? In my opinion, it's a solid choice for those looking for a simple, effective primer at an affordable price. It won't completely transform your skin or give you dramatic pore-filling results, but it does what it promises in terms of creating a smooth, matte base for your makeup. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried this primer, drop a comment below and let me know what your experience has been like. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.